In this short video, I'm going to show you how to navigate in RenWeb in the LMS section in order to look for your math assignments and videos. So I'm going to choose Math A, 7th grade Math A, and you know about our class wall, and over here is our class calendar just for this week, and you can click on and see what is due next week. It looks like a lot, but don't be too concerned about that. We'll take that one step at a time. So we've already done our introduction. The introduction had setting up Khan Academy, and I'm not going to go back through that. So let's just go ahead and go to general class information. This is if you want to print off a worksheet. I have your regular homework sheet with graphs and a test worksheet when we take a test, if that would make you more comfortable to do your work on that. You are always welcome to create your own worksheet as long as it is neat and legible. Now, let's go back and look here again. I've also got instructional videos and documents. How to post an assignment in LMS. This was actually done by Mrs. Colley. It's wonderful. It's just a PDF. I'm going to post this, but you'll have a video on how to navigate Khan Academy, how to navigate My Math Assistant. We'll start using that to record all our homework assignments and tests. And this is our video on how to navigate LMS, and then class rules and procedures. If you're confused about when I require assignments to be done or where they're supposed to go or when our Zoom meetings are going to be, you can look in here. Okay, so now let's go to week 1. In week 1, I'll give you the dates. And let's click on there and you'll see 5 different topics, one for each day, Monday through Friday, and they will be in order. So let's look at Monday's lesson, lesson 91. I'll click on that and I'll see 3 things. The first thing you'll always do is watch your instructional video. And then underneath that, you'll have your practice problems. I'll tell you what page they're on. We're going to do 1 through 30. And then you're going to go to mymathassistant.com and enter in your answers. And this program will grade your homework and give me the grade for you. Now, the other thing is, you must upload a picture of your homework to this section, to this homework assignment. You must upload it also. You're going to enter it in My Math Assistant, and I will check those answers, but then I also need to see the work. And so you must do 2 things. You must enter it in My Math Assistant, and then you must upload a picture of your pages to me under this tab, Lesson 91, Practice Problems. Okay, very important. Now, every day we're going to have a short Khan Academy quiz of the day. So we're not going to have any power-up quizzes, and I'm not even going to have new concept quizzes because you can use your open book for every test you take. So we're going to replace all of our quizzes with a Khan Academy quiz of the day, and you will have lots of those. So if you can't get them all right, don't feel bad. You'll have so many, you should be fine. But you do need to take the effort to redo them if you get a low score. So that is basically what we're going to have every week. Is you'll see the week number and the dates and the 5 assignments in RenWeb.